You know what's funny? I used to think that the hard parts meant something was wrong. Like if life started getting hard, I just started thinking I wasn't cut out for this in the first place. But I realized that's just part of life, and I keep going through it all. Through the creative blocks, through the doubts, and through all of it. And now I'm sitting here at this spot, just breathing and reflecting of the entire journey. And I realized that what I was working towards, not just the view, but the peace. Because things do get better. Not always fast, not always how you pictured it, but they genuinely do. And I'm a living example of it. So if you're in a hard season right now, just know you're not stuck. You're moving. Keep creating, keep showing up, and keep going. I promise you, things actually do get better.